Okay, here's the Stevie Wonder classic. A really great message. Love today is starving for more love. We need more love today. This is called Love's in Need of Love Today. Now, Stevie sings this song in the key of E flat, but we're going to play it in the key of D, which is a half step lower. And then if you want to do it in Stevie's key, as a guitarist, you could just take the capo and put it on the first fret, and then play all the chords that I show you. Or you can transpose it if you want to. Okay, so the intro, which is done by a bunch of vocalists singing a cappella or without musical accompaniment, like a choir, are these chords: D, C, B flat 7, I'm sorry, B7, D, C, B7, E minor 7, and then a really cool chord, and it has a number of names depending on how you want to play it. So if you play it just like this and this is a G minor major 7 add 13. It's like a G minor major 7, then here's the 13th. If you add this C note, then it's more like a C9 flat 5 or C9 sharp 11 over G. So whatever you want to call it, but that's the chord. So you go D, C, B7, E minor, and you might add these two notes, this F sharp and D, and then, now alternatively, so that would be like, sing with it. Ooh, ooh. Whatever harmony you want to sing, because there's multiple harmonies there. Another way you can do that, of course, with bar chords, that where you're sliding. Then back to the D. Ooh, then G over A, and you can add this A note so it makes it a G9 over A. Put this finger here if you like. So let's do all that intro. The second time, third time. To a D. To the verse, D. Good morning, evening, friends. And that's just an A diminished seventh. Now, there's an arpeggio being played. If you listen to it, instead of this, it's this. Get this E flat in there, or C sharp, D sharp. And that is the same chord in A diminished seventh, but now over E flat, I guess you could say. So if you want to play that chord to get the same arpeggio, then that's it. But this is just fine. E minor 7. Here's your friendly announcer. A or A7. A7's better. E minor 7. I have serious news. A7. And then you're going to go G major 7, F sharp minor 7, E minor 7, G over A, and maybe add this ninth. Okay. I have serious news to pass on to everybody. All right, let's go to the next verse, which is almost exactly the same. And I've got a cold, so I sound horrible, but just learn the chords and you'll be fine. D, A diminished 7, E minor 7, A7, da 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 da, G major 7. When I sing. Okay, now the chorus is just D. Loves B minor 7. F sharp minor 7. B minor 7. Don't delay. B minor 7. That's the G over A, A7, or you can just go to an A7. Don't delay, send yours in right away. A7 is fine, or G over A and then A7. You know that hey D, B minor 7, F sharp minor 7. Down to an E minor 7, or go down to E minor 7. Please, B minor 7, for it's gone too far. Oh, intro. Okay, all right. And that's the whole song. Now you can do a few things on that. If you want to get fancy with some fingerings and some extra notes, when you go to the chorus, you can do this. It's kind of like a James Taylor lick. You're hitting the G and then the F sharp. Then you play the B minor 7. You're going to add this finger on the 5th fret. Then the F sharp minor 7. Now, over this F sharp minor 7, you can play over an A pentatonic. So those are all notes in the A pentatonic scale. E minor 7, B minor 7. These are just little things that as a solo singer-guitarist you can add just to add a little bit of character if you want to. And that's essentially it. Once you get this chord, really, it's the hardest chord, the C9 flat 5 over G, or G minor major 7 add 13, you've got the song. All right, what a great tune. Love's in Need of Love Today. Add it to your bag because people need to hear it. Okay. I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye.